Could Samsung's Galaxy S25 deliver an unexpected surprise for European customers? While earlier leaks hinted at a possible price increase for Samsung's latest flagship, new information suggests that European buyers might not face a hike after all. By the way, if you haven't reserved the Galaxy S25 yet, click the link in the description to reserve now and get a chance to win $50 Samsung credit, up to $1,250 in additional savings, and an opportunity to win $5,000 in Samsung credit. The latest twist to the Galaxy S25 pricing saga comes from Gizmochina, which recently reported a leak from an anonymous source. This source claims to have access to documents detailing the European market prices for the Galaxy S25 series. According to these leaked documents, the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra could be priced similarly to their predecessors, the Galaxy S24 models, at least in Europe. This revelation will likely be a relief for many Samsung enthusiasts who were concerned about having to pay more for the latest tech. However, there's a slight catch. The leak doesn't mention the prices for the 512GB and 1TB storage variants of the Galaxy S25 series. These high-capacity models have been rumored to come with a higher price tag, potentially due to the increased costs of components and the inclusion of the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Speaking of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, it's a key upgrade in the Galaxy S25 lineup. This chipset is said to be more expensive than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and the Exynos 2400, which were used in the Galaxy S24 models. The increase in chipset costs, along with the general rise in smartphone component prices over the past year, had led many to believe that Samsung would pass these costs on to consumers. However, it appears that Samsung might be absorbing these additional costs, at least for the standard storage models, to maintain competitive pricing. This move could be a strategic effort to retain its customer base and fend off competition from other smartphone manufacturers. Another aspect to consider is Samsung's potential profit margins. If the prices remain the same despite the higher production costs, Samsung's profits on each Galaxy S25 device could be lower than those on the Galaxy S24. This decision might reflect Samsung's commitment to its customers, prioritizing market share and customer satisfaction over short-term profit margins. For those eagerly awaiting more details, the good news is that the wait won't be long. Samsung is expected to officially unveil the Galaxy S25 series in just 2 days. Once the announcement is made, we'll know for certain how these price rumors stack up against reality and whether the European market will indeed escape the expected price hike. In the meantime, if you're considering upgrading to the Galaxy S25, now might be a good time to act. As mentioned earlier, reserving the device through the link in the description could land you some exciting perks. With the chance to earn $50 in Samsung credit, up to $1,250 in additional savings, and even the possibility of winning $5,000 in Samsung credit, it's an offer worth considering. Samsung's Galaxy S series has long been a favorite among tech enthusiasts for its cutting-edge features and sleek design. With the Galaxy S25, Samsung aims to build on this legacy, offering enhancements that cater to both performance-focused users and those who prioritize aesthetics and usability. So, will the Galaxy S25 live up to the hype and deliver a seamless experience without the anticipated price hike? All signs point to a positive outcome for European customers. Whether you're a longtime Samsung user or someone considering the switch, the Galaxy S25 could be a worthwhile addition to your tech arsenal. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest tech news, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one with more exciting updates and insights. Have you been wondering about the new Samsung Galaxy S25 series and what it will bring to the table? The wait is almost over. Thanks to a major leak by renowned industry insider Evan Blass, we just gotten a sneak peek at the upcoming models in the Galaxy S25 series, showcasing their stunning color options and giving us a closer look at what Samsung has in store for us. This year's Galaxy lineup includes the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the flagship S25 Ultra, all of which will be unveiled during Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22. These models will each be available in 4 colors, but don't be surprised if special online exclusive shades make an appearance later. The leak reveals the color options in incredible detail, giving us a chance to see these phones up close and personal. While we had heard rumors and seen potential color lists in the past, this is the first time we get to witness the true look of these models. As for the internals, the Galaxy S25 series will be powered by the all-new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This cutting-edge processor promises to deliver significant improvements in both performance and efficiency, making it one of the fastest and most efficient chipsets available in the smartphone world. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the Snapdragon 8 Elite is designed to handle it all with ease. While the camera specs and battery life will likely be similar to previous Galaxy S models, the upgraded chipset is a major selling point. It will enhance the overall performance, ensuring that the Galaxy S25 series remains a top contender in the highly competitive smartphone market of 2025. Along with the boost in processing power, Samsung is also focusing on design with these new models. One feature that stands out is the upcoming Galaxy S25 Slim, a model set to release later this year. The S25 Slim will offer a thinner profile, making it an ideal option for those who prefer a lighter and more compact phone without sacrificing performance. Rumors suggest that it will feature the Ultra camera, which will likely include the same high-quality sensors as the S25 Ultra, ensuring excellent photography capabilities despite the slimmer design. However, there's one notable change in the leaked images that might catch your attention. Unlike the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, which will come in a vibrant navy blue, the S25 Ultra's blue variant appears more grayish in tone. While this may be a surprising shift, especially for those who were expecting a bold traditional navy, it doesn't detract from the overall premium design of the S25 Ultra. For those who are passionate about color options, Samsung has historically released exclusive color variants online, so it's always worth checking for special editions. Still, the black version is a classic and sophisticated choice that never seems to go out of style. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is the emphasis on artificial intelligence (AI). Samsung is taking a page out of Apple's playbook, integrating AI enhancements that are designed to streamline the user experience and make it even more intuitive. These improvements aim to enhance everything from camera performance to battery management, ensuring that users get the most out of their devices. If you're excited about the upcoming Galaxy S25 series and want to stay up to date with all the latest tech news, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have plenty more exciting content coming your way, and we'll keep you informed on everything tech-related. See you in the next video. What makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra the talk of the town? With Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked 2025 event right around the corner, the buzz surrounding the upcoming release is only growing louder. Among the many exciting features Samsung is set to reveal, the enhanced sketch-to-image AI tool is certainly stealing the spotlight. First introduced in the previous Galaxy S series, sketch-to-image allowed users to turn basic sketches into detailed images using the S Pen or their fingers. But Samsung is taking this feature to the next level with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This time, the tool isn't just about drawing. The updated version now supports text and voice commands. That means you can describe an image in words and watch as your ideas are transformed right before your eyes. For instance, you could sketch a simple outline of a tree and say, sunset over a forest, and instantly see your sketch become a stunning, colorful landscape. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolutionary way to create on a smartphone. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just about giving you more tools. It's about turning your device into a powerful creative companion, all thanks to artificial intelligence. Integrated within One UI 7, Samsung's latest user interface, this feature is designed to make the creative process smoother than ever. One UI 7 isn't just about improving the look and feel of the interface, it's built to understand natural language. Whether you're speaking, typing, or using images, the AI seamlessly interprets your inputs, making it easier to communicate with your device in a way that feels more human. This new functionality opens up endless possibilities. Whether you're an aspiring designer looking for an efficient way to create or just someone who enjoys experimenting with fun ideas, sketch-to-image is poised to change the way we think about mobile creativity. The addition of text and voice commands means anyone, regardless of their artistic ability, can easily create beautiful, detailed images with just a few words. No need to be an expert sketch artist, all you need is a bit of imagination. Beyond the creative features, Samsung is positioning itself as a leader in the AI-driven mobile space. While competitors like Apple have been slowly rolling out AI capabilities, Samsung is setting a fast pace, showcasing its commitment to pushing boundaries. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is not just about playing catch-up, it's about taking the lead in shaping the future of smartphone technology. With cutting-edge features like these, Samsung is proving that it has the vision to stay ahead of the curve. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is not just about one feature, though. As the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22 approaches, there's anticipation that Samsung will unveil even more innovative features that could redefine smartphone technology. From ad-powered creativity to advancements in other areas, the S25 Ultra is poised to set new standards across the industry. It's clear that Samsung isn't just focused on keeping up with current trends. They're setting the trends for what smartphones will be capable of in the future. As we eagerly await the unveiling of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it's clear that this device is not only about improving existing technology, but also about introducing new ways for users to interact with their smartphones. The AI-powered enhancements and creative tools are just a glimpse of what's to come. The Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just another phone. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. With its enhanced AI tools, advanced user interface, and focus on creativity, setting the stage for a whole new era of smartphones. If you're excited about what the Galaxy S25 Ultra has to offer, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for all the latest news. We'll keep you updated every step of the way.